Hi guys, how are you? So I am down Jamaica Avenue again today with my umbrella. It's raining today and I just want to say that thank you guys so much. The outpouring of love, and you guys keep on asking me, is she gonna make the skirt? Is she gonna make the skirt? Okay, so I hope that the store is open, the fabric store. So your girl is on her way to the fabric store to get a fabric so that I could go make the skirt for you guys. Okay, it's a little dark out here, but I hope that I'll be in luck. I want to say thank you to you guys again. You guys are just too much. You guys been so sweet and so awesome, and you know, it's a really awesome feeling. You know, right now I feel like I'm one of the biggest YouTubers ever. You know, and I'm a really small YouTuber. So just want to say thank you guys. I'm gonna take you guys to the fabric store. Hopefully they are open. Yeah. Alrighty. So check back with you. See ya. Yeah, so out here in the rain with my umbrella, guys. So you know I really love you guys, right? See, umbrella and everything. Alright. Here I go. So guys, this is the store. This is my famous fabric store. It's so beautiful. So I'm looking for like the tool material. You know. Hi, how you doing? You good? I'm looking for the tool material. Huh? What colors you have? Alright. So you see these, look at those, see the materials? Yeah. Okay. There's more. So I'm looking for the tool. Yeah, no, just showing the material. See more material. This is the whole store, right? All the trimmings and everything. Okay, so they don't have black. They have these colors here. Purple and white and silver. So I'm going to try to see what color I'll choose. I actually like this color. This color is nice. And the silver one, because there's no more black. These are the material. So beautiful. I love. These are nice though. These colors. I come in. The other one. This is a store, guys. So I got my black tool, and I got these colors here for my daughter. So let's see how that turned out. Okay, this is how it is. And this is hers. Okay. So I'm heading home now, guys. Still raining, it's still pouring. Got my fabric, got my material. So I'll check you guys later, okay? I hope you guys like or enjoyed me taking you with you today to the fabric store. Alrighty? Woo! That was the bus. Just fast and just woo! Splashed a whole lot of water this way. Anyway, so I'll talk to you again, okay? Love you, love you, love you, and we'll see you again. Mwah! Bye! True story, guys. I just went to a store to get some makeup and stuff, and this guy just paid for all of my stuff. I was like, what? That is crazy. Wow. Okay. Didn't expect that. And all he said was, "You're beautiful," and he just said, "Say have a good night." I was like, okay, have a good night, buddy. Thank you.